Hey, we're at GoToMath.com looking at applications involving linear equations. And it looks like we're doing 3.2. Right. So it says find three consecutive odd integers such that the sum is 165. That is, the sum of all three of them is 165. And the second plus the third is 6 more than twice the first. Looks like we got something left over from a previous problem. I need to get rid of that. That's not supposed to be there. Okay. Alright, so three consecutive odd integers such that the sum is 165. So in other words, x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3 is, now remember, is means the key word for equal, 165. Well, that's one equation. And the second plus the third is, so there's going to be another equation here. The second plus the third is 6 more than twice the first. 6 more than twice the first. So we got a relationship, it looks like, between x of 2 and x of 3 and x of 1. Okay, the sum of x of 2 and x of 3, and there's related to x of 1. Alright, so we have two equations here, three unknowns actually. But what we're going to be able to do is, it looks like, is we're going to be able to substitute this part here in, and this is going to be our substitute right here. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. So we have x of 1 plus, and so x of 2 plus x of 3 is equal to 6 plus 2x of 1, and that looks like that's going to be equal to 165. Alright, so you see what we did there? We just substituted in for these guys here. Alright, now we have an equation involving only one variable. And what we could do now is just simply solve for x of 1 in this problem. So this looks like collecting up some like terms here. We have 3x of 1 plus 6 is equal to 165. We can go ahead and take that 6 over to the right hand side. 165 minus 6, 3x of 1, so it looks like x of 1 is going to end up being 53, I believe. Alright, you go 165 minus, that looks like a b, doesn't it? Minus 6, supposed to be, is 153, then divided by 3, so you get 53. So that's going to be our first integer. Let's go ahead and just write them over here. So 53, and of course if they're consecutive odd integers, then this next one would have to be 55, and then the next one after that would have to be 57. And I bet if you sum them all up, you should get 165. 50 plus 50 is 100. That's 150. That's going to be 150. So that's 8. That'd be 158. And 7, 160. What's 8 and 7? 8 and 7. 15. Yeah, that'd be 165. Okay. And of course, 55 plus 57 is 100, and let's see, that'd be 112. This side would be 112. If we plugged in 53 here, we would get 2 times 53 is 106, plus 6 is 112. So that looks like that all adds up there. Alright, let's go back and checking our numbers. Okay, so it's important to be able to take a problem and right? Convert it into an equation and then solve, or in this case we had two equations, and then solve for our unknowns. Alright, so we're over here at gotomath.com, getting it worked out. See you in the next problem.